Quad damage.
So glad to have these. So, the reason why I got this package is because I had a core that was actually loose inside the wheel. Let me get So, this is the wheel. It's a really weird thing. I've never seen that before. No one from the group had actually seen this before. But essentially what it is, so I'll put in the attachment here. And it's solid in there. Like, I rode with this for a while. It made this weird when I braked. And I never thought anything of it. And then when I looked at it with the guys, when we were doing our group ride, we realized, yeah, the core is loose. But Loaded was super awesome. And a big shout out to Poli for helping me with this and getting these fantastic new wheels. I can't wait. I just love the feeling of these wheels especially when they're new. Now this I don't know what this is. See, that's awesome, boys. So, Poli and Loaded Orangutan sent me these Kabamas. This is so cool. This is very cool. So now I have so many choices. I really want to try these. So big thanks for the customer support at Loaded and Orangutan. Love you guys. And it's the reason why I love going with the belt drive system. It's because you can choose their wheels, you can add their wheels. But yeah, I'm just really amazed by their customer support. Big thanks again. And hopefully I'll have a video soon enough with these babies on. Yeah, super stoked. Thanks, guys.